They all have bumps. Like, why is so bumpy? See, they all have like bumps. Don't mind my kitchen. I'm about to clean it up. So I'm gonna have to shape this down a little bit or something.
For me, been an awful good girl, Santa baby, so hurry down the chimney tonight.
A true Jamaican Christmas greeting I extend to you. Just come on over, there is room. There's no winter time, there's just sweet sunshine at Christmas Jamaican style.
Hey guys, welcome back to another Vlogmas video. Welcome back to KeneishaSays. So, today we're gonna finish cleaning. So yesterday I did my bedroom, getting it ready for Christmas. So today I'm actually jumping into Tavania's room and Tristan's room. I have already taken off all the sheets and stuff, and again I have the mattress covers washing because I can't find. I'm just not gonna do it. It's just too much work to go find them right now. So I'm washing those. They're actually finished washing and it's actually drying right now. So we're gonna jump right into getting those clean and ready. So yeah, I'm just gonna get the rooms ready and hopefully I can jump into the bathroom today. Fingers crossed I can get it done today because I also have to cook dinner. So yeah, let's go. Alright guys, no, we're not cleaning yet. I know I just said that we're going to clean, but I just got an Amazon package and I just want to share it with you guys. Guys, I don't know what's going on, but this is the first year or the first time when it comes down to decorating that I'm just not feeling it. Like, I'm just so exhausted. I'm just blah. Like, I just drank some coffee just to see if I could get a little boost of energy, but it's not happening. I don't know. And not even an Amazon package not sure, because now when I see Amazon package, I'm like, oh my god, yeah, Amazon package. But I don't know. But there's a package, so let me just open it up with you guys because I know it's supposed to be Christmas stuff. So I think it's the stuff that, if I'm not lying, it should be the stuff that I just returned that I repurchased. The throw pillowcases and the candles. So yeah, that's what's supposed to be coming today. So let's see. So let's open it up. Hope y'all can see me. So okay. This is the first one. This really pillowcase looking like this. It is. Oh my god. I'm like, what the hell is this? You see this? Ooh. Yes, they're so soft. Yes. This is so nice. Unexpected. I don't know if you can see the texture of it. Like, look at that. This is beautiful. Right? This is cute. So it's a set of 2. And you know I'm going to hook you up because I'm going to put it in the link below. Hopefully it's in time. Oh my goodness. This is so nice. Okay. Way better than the one that I bought before. Like, what? So yeah, this is so cute. Alright, let's see the second item. Don't mess up. So these are actually the candles. So remember the first candle, I think it was like 7 inches. Like 7 inches or something. And this is actually the 10-inch. Got a little thank you note inside here. Because every time I talk to you, my hands are always crusty. Like, why? The girl don't have any lotion, no moisturizer at our home. Like, I just showed you a whole bunch of Bath and Body Works. Why am I so crusty? Like, that's that's unacceptable. Like what? Like I'm looking back on some other videos that I'm editing and I'm like, why you can't use lotion? Oh my god. Okay, anywho. Disregard the finger. I am cleaning. I'm cleaning. Yeah. Ooh, see? This is what I'm talking about. This is so cute, right? Just a pack of 4. This is so nice. So let me show you. Remember I told you originally that I have the brown ones. They're kind of a little bit different in shapes. Similar, but not the same. So I told you that I have the brown ones and I want to just drop in the black. So here it is. Let me show you. So here are the brown ones. You see? Whoop, don't drop, don't drop, don't drop. Oh God. So this is how the brown is looking. It kind of look, yeah, but that is it. So I want to replace these and put this in there like so. Go in, don't break, just go in. Where do you know I'm going? The frig if it broke. It's supposed to go in and stand up. Right, there you go. And then it go like so. I don't know why you don't want to stand up, but you get a picture, I'll fix it. Stand up! Lazy mother sucker. Let's try this again. It's supposed to stand up. So, what I hear with broke it. Don't broke, God. Don't broke. There we go. Like that. See? It's cute. I mean, it's a little bit taller. It's tall. This wasn't so tall. Was it? I guess. Push it on some more, but it's really tall. Like it's over the top. You see that? Jesus Christ. Why am I calling the Lord name in vain? It's super tall, but I'll work with it. Oh, this one I know I'm gonna. It's just a bump in the bottom. See? Why is there a bump here? Let me get another one. They all have bumps. Like, why is so bumpy? See, they all have like. See, they all have like bumps. Don't mind me because you're not about to clean it up. So I'm gonna have to shape this down a little bit or something. But yeah, so that's what I'm talking about. So I'm not. I think it's the same brand that I got the last time, the same size. So I don't know why it's so tall, but that bump does give it a little bit of home. So I may have to clean that up. But you get a gist of it. So the next clip you're seeing, guys, I will be cleaning. I promise. It's now 12:49 to be exact, and I've been trying to clean since 10 o'clock. I've been doing other things around the house, but the 2 bedrooms, them, I don't know. Why am I not excited to, like, this is my time of year. Like, what is going on? I will not allow this to happen. This is my time of year. I like to decorate. I like seeing new things coming in. I like to redecorate the house completely and get it all festive. So what is going on with me? I don't know. I'm just like, blah, like, anyway, let's clean. Round and around and around and around we go. Not really sure how to feel about beautiful like diamonds in the sky. Shine bright like a diamond. Shine bright like a diamond. Shine bright like a diamond. So shine bright tonight, you and I. You're beautiful like diamonds in the sky. Darling, just dive right in and follow my lead. Beautiful and sweet. I never knew you were that someone waiting for me. 'Cause we were just kids when we fell in love. You are this time, darling, just kiss me slow. Your heart is all I own. All right, guys, so I'm finished with Tristan's room. I started Tavania's room, not yet finished, but it's no time. It's time for me to go and pick them up from school. You'll be asking, Keneisha, why are you going to on the road looking like that? Because I'm just cleaning and I'm not in the mood. So I have on clothes, I'm well covered. That's all that matters. I don't look nobody. I am not looking at anybody. So I am going on the road, grab my kids from the bus stop, and I'll be back, cook some dinner, and then jump back into the cleaning. So I'll see you in the next clip. Guys, I was this close to give up. So it's now 15 minutes to 8. I picked up the kids, came home, cooked some curry shrimp and some mashed potatoes. Also warm up some white rice because I had some white rice that I cooked yesterday. Eat, and I sat down and literally just going back and forth, like, should I finish this tonight? Should I do this tomorrow? And I literally had to just jump up and say, you know what, Keneisha, go finish this, because you have so many other things to do. And if you don't do this today, tomorrow it's going to be bombarded with a lot of things. And then you have work Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. And then you're going to have to do the Vlogmas. And you know what? So it's, as I said before, it's 15 minutes to 8. And I just jumped up and I'm like, let me just finish the room. So let's go. Okay, guys. I'm finally done. What time is it? Hold on. It is now 9:16 on the dot. Alright? I'm finally finished with Savania's room. I'm tired. I'm gonna sit down for like 5 minutes, go take a nice hot shower, and go to my bed. I mean, I did nothing else tonight. Nothing else tonight. I'm done. I'm so beat. My back hurts. I'm just in so much pain. So, this is still a mess. What happened, because I'm gonna be cleaning out the playroom. I kind of just packed them up here for a minute. The playroom is a mess. It's packed up completely. The playroom is no better. I feel like I haven't cleaned that playroom for over a year. So they have been banned from the playroom for a minute now because the playroom is just a mess, and every time I go in there it's just a mess. Tavania has toys for days. I feel like she's actually, like, majority of what is in the playroom now is not Tavania's toys, because Tristan has grown out toys. He's mostly into like gaming and stuff, so he want more PS5 games, and he want Roblox, and that's what he's into. He's more of technology now. He's not into like the toys. He's that age, right? So Tavania is still in that era where it's all toys, and I feel like she had to take over the spot where Tristan toys were. Like, you feel like it's gonna be, you know, Tavania's playroom. Like, it's just toys every second. So anyways, I'm gonna clean out that area and throw out some toys, and even though the playroom has toys for her, she still has some in her room because it's just so much. And again, more Christmas, more birthdays, more toys coming. I know. Anywho, thank God, you know, I'm grateful. I'm not complaining. I'm so grateful that I'm able to buy my baby's toys, and that she's able to get it from her family members, basically. So I'm thankful. I'm not complaining, because I know people are out there that can't get these things. So I'm very grateful. I don't want to sound like I'm ungrateful. But anywho, I'm done for the day. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you actually enjoyed this Vlogmas video. If you haven't already subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe. And thanks for all my new subscribers, by the way. If you did like this video, go ahead and hit that like button. Drop a comment in the comment section. Go ahead and share it. And until next time, guys. Bye.
At Christmas, Jamaican style.